everybody, welcome back. It's Tuesday, which means it's Tutorial Tuesday and time to learn another free balloon animal tutorial. It is getting to be that time of the year. It's getting spooky and kooky. So this week we are going to start doing some more fall themed autumn Halloween type balloons. And this week I'm going to show you a really cool spider. Uses 3 260s, which is a lot less than I used to use to make spiders because I would do like 4 just for the legs. So this is a great improvement. And then you're also going to need a white or any color 5-inch round, which is going to be for the eyes. So pick your color for the eyes. Yellow would be really cool. Red is also a fun one to use for spider eyes. So we're going to start off with the body on this guy. I'm going to use purple for this. It's fun in any color, red, black, whatever you want to use for your spider. You just want to make sure that you have about a 2 to 3 inch tail here at the end. And we're going to start off giving him a big funny, this is like a cartoon, not too scary type spider. So we're going to give him some big funny lips, which are just going to be loops. So fold your balloon over, grab that knot and twist it in there. So you're going to have a nice, not too big, but you're going to have a nice little loop. We're going to do the same thing again, matching another loop the same size. Fold your balloon over and twist it so you've got his 2 little spider lips there. Now we're going to come back, and however big you want his body to be, we do need to fit 8 legs inside of his body, so don't make it too small. So I'm going to do about a nice big hot dog length here, and we're going to come back into the lips. So just twist that back in there. And now you're going to be ready to lock the legs in between. We're going to sandwich them in, so we've got to make the legs first. So to do that, grab your black 260s. We're going to fully inflate these all the way, but before you tie them off, make sure you let out a good amount of air so that they're nice and soft and not overinflated. Working with just 1 260 at a time, you're going to fold your balloon over and just find the middle point, the halfway point. So pull it out, find that midpoint, and give it a twist right there. And then you're going to use your arm to hold on to that while we do the same exact thing with our other 260. Just fold it in half, find that midpoint, give it a twist, and there. Okay, so now we've got our 2 halves, like little chromosomes. We're going to bring these together so that our twisted area is in the same side here. And we've got all our loose tails on the other side here. And now we're going to just eyeball this and try to twist all of this in half. And this is going to give us our 8 legs. So just wherever you think it looks halfway, twist it. All right, so you've got this big crazy firework thing, or it could be like a fly with wings, who knows. But what you want to do is line it up so that you have one of these loops and then 2 loose ends on either side of your hand. Like put your hand in the middle here and just split it in half. So you got 2 loose ends on this side and a loop thing. All right, we're gonna take all of this and sandwich it into the spider body that we've made here. So place your 2 bubbles on one side, wrap the other part of that balloon towards the back. Okay, just like that. So we've got it sandwiched in there. Now to attach this guy, we're not going to do any crazy like pulling, rolling through or anything like that. We're going to make a twist here where it would meet in with the other twist. We're going to make a twist here where it would meet in with the other twist already there, and you're just pulling it straight up and over the top of your spider's body. We're not twisting that into anything. It's just going up right across the crease here, up and over the middle of his body, and twist that into his lips. So you're going to end up with 3 purple bubbles on the top of his body, and then just 1 on the bottom. And those 3 on top will help push the legs down instead of them wanting to stick straight out or even go up. It'll kind of help push everything down so the legs are facing the right direction at the end. Now you can leave him as a unicorn spider or you can get rid of this extra bit here. So I'm just gonna tear that off and we'll secure that inside the middle of his body. All right, so this is your crazy spider now. If you're an amateur balloon artist, you might leave it at this point, but we are pros, so we're gonna finesse this a little bit, right? So, wanna make sure that your legs are correct. What I like to do is on each side, I like to have my loose end, and then my two stuck together ends, and then another loose end in the back here. And try to align these so that they are beside each other, so it's all flat. Unlike on this side, we've got this balloon on top of these balloons. We want to try to align these so that they're flattened out. Now, if you can't get them exactly perfectly flat, that's okay. I tend to just, put the two that are attached a little bit kind of like they're coming out below, and just whatever you decide to do, make sure you do it the same on both sides so it looks like you meant to do things this way. And then we're gonna give all the legs a little bit of a bend. So right in the middle, I'm gonna take each section and we're just gonna fold it over and give it a squeeze. Now our two connected legs here, we're gonna fold both of them over at the same time and give it a squeeze. And same thing all the way around for all of our spider legs. Look at that. He's starting to look very spidery now. So now I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I used to do a spider design that would use 4 balloons just for the legs. It was huge and time consuming and ridiculous. So huge props to Andrea Noel. I think she is the first person I saw do this sort of thing with spider legs at Twist and Shout in Las Vegas a few years ago. And I just love this concept and idea. So I've taken the legs that I saw at Twist and Shout there and kind of applied it to the spider body that I've always done, but I usually add eyes. So we've got to finish this thing off with some eyes, so grab your 5-inch round and let's do it. All right, so you got your 5-inch round. Go ahead and inflate that, let a good amount of air out because we're gonna twist this in half. So just tie it normally. And then we're gonna twist this guy in half, so make sure you've got the knot and the nozzle in between your hands and just twist that guy right in half so that your nozzle ends up in the middle of those 2 bubbles. And to attach your eyes, you're just gonna come up from underneath the lips. So put your 2 bubbles underneath those lips and then just roll them right up on top. Now, if you're giving this to a little kid or something that's gonna get crazy with it, you can flip places with those eyes to kind of lock them in there so they're not gonna fly off. I'm just gonna be using this for myself, so I think we're good. So at this point, you can call this guy done, and I think he looks really cool, and I do really like him with the purple and having different colors for the middle. You could, of course, do it all in black and just have like the eyes pop with a different color. Not really pop, hopefully, but you know what I mean. Now, when it comes to drawing eyes, if you guys know me at all, you know I don't like scary stuff. I don't do scary movies. I'm not into it. So when I draw eyes on this guy, it's not scary at all. It reminds me a lot of those spider toys that are out right now, or just like they've made spiders strangely cute and terrifying at the same time. But this is what I do. I do big black circles on the eyes. I think it makes it really cute. But to give him that little hint of mischievousness, I do it with the white highlight mark. So I'll show you what I do. We're gonna make like angry eyebrows, but like you're making them in his eyeballs on the black part of the eye. You're just doing some inward slants with the white. See how that kind of made him look a little bit more, I don't know, what's he up to? And then we're gonna do circle highlight marks. So I'm just gonna do small ones off to the side, sort of, and underneath those slanted lines. You can see that. And then we'll do a bigger circle right below that little circle. And this is just a look that I came up with that I was like, yeah, that's cute and also a little bit disturbing at the same time. So this is going to be his face. He's kind of got some character now. You can see you want to trust him, but you're not sure. He's got that little look in his eye. I just don't know. So I hope you guys like this design. Another thing you can do if you want to make this a more interactive design and improve your customer's experience is just take an uninflated balloon. This doesn't take any time at all. And just attach that right behind his eyes. You can secure it into his head or into his mouth or something. And that's all you've got to do to make your spider hanging down from a web. And this is so fun to swing around and just kind of terrorize people with. Just swing around your head or whatever. It's a giant spider. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. Attach it above your door for whatever. So this is just a really quick, easy way to improve your customer's experience and just help them have a good time as they're getting their balloon from you. Here's another little guy we did in red, so you can kind of see how fun they are when you use different colors. And you know, your imagination is the limit on that kind of stuff. So I'd really like to see what spiders you guys come up with this week. Make sure to share your work in our free Facebook group. We all post there. It doesn't matter what level balloon twister you are. It's a safe place to share your take on the balloon of the week. So let's see some spiders there this week. Also makes a great headband. No, I wouldn't really recommend this, but it is kind of funny. If you guys are doing a lot of fall festivals this time of year and you're looking for some quick, easy designs to put on your menus for Halloween stuff, you can use up your prints that you got with the vampire faces and stuff like that. I've got a whole pack of easy Halloween menu clip art that you guys can grab. It's only 20 bucks and it's got 40 unique different images in it, all super easy Halloween themed line work designs. So very fast stuff like wands, bracelets, headbands, and cute, easy little character bodies with the prints. So all 8 different Halloween prints in all those different styles of wands and bracelets and stuff like that. Very easy, simple, fast stuff to throw onto those fall festival menus where you might have really long lines. This would be a nice way to help you guys out and make sure that everybody at your event stays happy and has a great time. So make sure to check that out. Link is in the description below. If you guys liked our little spider tutorial today, you can let me know by thumbs upping the video. Give it a little like. It really helps me here on YouTube and motivates me to keep going. I think we are at the 1 year mark of me being consistent and posting a video every single Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. So that is a big milestone for me. Seems like every time I would try to get into YouTube, something major would happen in my life, like having babies and stuff that would just make it hard to do. So this is a big deal for me. I've been consistent with something for a year. Every Tuesday without fail, we've been doing Tutorial Tuesdays. So high five, pat on the back to all you guys out there. Thank you for watching and making this such a fun thing for me to do. I really do enjoy this. I love that this is my job. Thanks, guys. If you guys are looking for some other really fun fall festival Halloween type designs, I've got a ton of tutorials for you. Here's a couple just to get you started. There's some really cool stuff, so I'll see you guys over in those next videos, and then I'll see you over in our Facebook group this week sharing your spider pics. All right, happy twisting everybody. Bye-bye.